What's up, my good queers? I'm back. I know it's been a minute, but I'm coming to you barefaced today because we are doing skincare, lady. But anyway, I'm gonna go wash my face, so I'll come back and I'll let you know what I used. And I'm back all clean and patted dry. So for when I cleanse, that's step one. Step one is cleansing, obviously. I use two different cleansers. I start with an oil cleanser. This is the Tatcha Pure. It smells fucking extravagant, but that's, for this price point, it's better, honestly. But I really like this. You can honestly use whatever the fuck you want for a cleansing oil. Before this, I was just using Kopari coconut melt. That is pretty inexpensive. You can get it at any Sephora, which is actually just like an extremely filtering coconut oil or something. And then after that, I like to use the Glossier Milky Jelly Cleanser. Honestly, the best cleanser I've ever used. Die by it. It is so fucking good. It smells great. It feels great. I'm never gonna use another cleanser. This is my main sub cleanser. Glossier Milky Jelly. You really did that. And then next, I like to use a chemical exfoliant. If I don't use this, I use the Glossier solution. This is my everyday chemical exfoliant. I think it's really, really nice. But if I'm going for a more heavy thing, this is what I use maybe every week, maybe once or twice a week. This is the Drunk Elephant TLC Sukari Baby Facial. Fucking love this shit. The burn is something that you will learn to appreciate. I myself love it. It feels so good on my skin. Yes. I like to take a pump and a half. So I start with the one pump. Ooh, that was not a pump, what the fuck. Anyway, and you're just gonna do a thin layer. I like to pat it on. Oh, and it's already burning. Feel that? That's it working. Ooh, this is what I get for shaving before this. Oh my god. The pain goes away in a second. It's a literal pain. I'm not gonna lie. It's an actual fucking pain. But I love it. It's worth it. Drunk Elephant, you did that. I'm probably gonna say you did that a lot in this video because these are all my favorite skincare items or products. But yeah, oh my god, the burn is gone and it feels so great. I got my cameraman doing this routine with me. Shout out Dom. Came over here dripping. Dom's literally gonna be pink after this because sorry for you people with a lack of melanin. It kind of does leave you a little pink and red, but you know what? It's nothing, a little concealer, a little foundation pink. You're good. It's fine. Oh yeah, you're feeling it? Yes! It hurts, doesn't it? But in a good way. It really does. It hurts in a good way. But once that's all patted in, we're leaving it for about 10 or 20 minutes. Make sure to wash your hands. You don't want to get this shit on anything else. And we'll be right back. Why do I drink so much dumb bitch juice? I was gonna mention all these boys that I fall in love with. I'm just kidding, there's not that many, there's like 2. But it's cool, because they're never gonna love me, so it's fine! Fucking see ya, I would like to die. Love, P. Cigarette. I'm back and chemically exfoliated, feeling a little swuffed, feeling a little dry though, you know. And by the way, you do not need to use a chemical exfoliator. You can use your cute little sugar, coffee ground, scrubs, or whatever you want to use to exfoliate your face. Just try to do it as often as you can. Not every day, but as often as you can. I don't know, my skin can handle it, so I exfoliate every single day. So I'm gonna use toner next. So this is my step 3, and so here in the West, we use toner for an extra layer of cleansing. Out in the Far East, aka Korea, because that's where I learned how to do this shit, they use toner as an extra means of moisturizing. I feel like out here, back home, we use one cleanser and then a toner after that. I use 2 cleansers to supplement for the fact that I have a moisturizing toner rather than a cleansing toner. So this is the Fresh Rose Fruit Hydration Facial Toner. Rose Deep Hydration Facial Toner. So I've been doing the 7 skin method. You literally don't have to do this. I am just extra and I like it. I like how it feels. And I feel like it adds to the whole glass skin thing. You know, let's get a little more Windexed. So I just take a little in my hand. 1. Slap it into your face. Fucking slap it. Make that blood rise to the surface. We want it. We want it. And that's 1. Oh my god, we're gonna be here for a while. Hello, this is 2. I'll just keep slapping and patting and slapping. Don't forget your neck. Your neck is part of your face. 4. You really have to do that 7 times, and I'm like, yes. 5. 6. 6. And here is layer 7. And you know what? You really don't have to be doing 7. I'm just really extra. I like to do the whole 7 skin method. Start low. Do 3, 4, maybe even 2 if you feel like it. 5. 5. Maybe 5 is your magic number. I don't know you, but I'd like to. Anyway, so that is 7 layers of toner on my face. I'm feeling a little tacky, but that's the whole point. I feel like the tackiness helps with the rest of our steps, makes it work a little better. And now that we're like ultra hydrated, nobody can tell you shit. Excuse me? We don't even have moisturizer on and we're like, I'm soft, I'm supple, and I'm taut. All right, so next I'm gonna go in with one of my favorite serums. This is the Milk Makeup Watermelon Brightening Serum. And I'm just gonna basically put this everywhere. I like this chubby stick that it comes in. I feel like the coverage is good. And once I have that on, I'm just gonna pat it into my skin. Once that's pressed into the skin, I give it a second to sit. And after that, I'm gonna go in with my Drunk Elephant Tango Multivitamin Eye Cream. This is one of my favorite eye creams. So I use this one during the day, and at night I use this Shaba Complex Eye Serum by Drunk Elephant as well. So I like to put my eye cream on my ring finger. I feel like that one's the most delicate, and I give it a full pump. And then I take my other ring finger and I press them together. So high fives. And then, you know how to apply an eye cream. I don't have to teach you how to do that, you know. Just don't be pulling premature wrinkles. Get it in those damn corners. This is my problem area with my eyes. It's the corners. I feel like this is where I'm gonna age the most, and people are gonna know. What's next? Hello? And then for moisturizer, I'm gonna go with the Adaptogen Deep Moisture Cream by Used to People. I love this stuff. It feels so good on the skin. It's unscented. And it comes with this spatula. I love moisturizers that come with this bougie ass spatula. We don't need it. Stop! What are you doing? I'm gonna take a dime-sized amount, you know, whatever. And then I'm just gonna apply it to the quadrants of my face. Quadrants or to the spaces of my face. And what I love about this stuff, their statement on the packaging talks about how it adapts to the different stressors in your life. I just emphasize that just so you hear it, I guess. But yeah, it's supposed to target the spaces that stress you out the most. I don't know how the fuck they do that. Science is a beautiful and incredible thing. You should believe in it. And then at night, I like to use the Tatcha Harper Clarifying Moisturizer. It's for acne-prone skin, and I used to have horrible fucking acne. I have no photos. photos, I am so sorry. And if I did have photos, it doesn't even matter because they were all on MySpace when I had that cystic ass acne, and we were all editing ourselves to death. I look soft, okay? I was trying to get on them damn whore trains. Hello, bulletin for bulletin, anything. Whore for whore, let's go. That's what I was doing, so I had no skin problems in my photos, so you wouldn't have seen it anyway. And I was too poor for Proactive, so. Anyway, I used the Tatcha Harbor Clarifying Moisturizer at night. This shit is bougie, I am so sorry, but literally I have never had anything heal me from the desert dryness like this shit. I went to Vegas and came back and my skin was the driest it has ever been in its life, and I have normal skin. I have normal skin, and I got back from the desert and I was sucked dry. S-U-C-C-C-C-C-C-E-D, dry. It was ridiculous. I had patches, it was fucked up. This is the only moisturizer that really cured that for me, and I'm so thankful. Thank you, Tatcha, for making these small ass batches at your farm. Shout out to you, girl, because you're doing the Lord's work. Actually, Satan's work. And then before bed, I'm not gonna do this now, but I try to do this like maybe 2 to 3 times a week. This is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask. It smells like candied watermelon. But anyway, it smells like watermelon Sour Patch Kids. I feel like I wake up low and shining. But anyway, so for my last step, I like to go in with a facial oil. An oil really creates a barrier. I feel like it seals everything in because that's what oils are meant to do. Or see what? Hello, stop using just coconut oil. Put a bun cream underneath that or some shit. Like, I'm gonna take the Lapis oil from Herbivore. This is my favorite facial oil. It's for acne prone skin. Again, anything that is for acne prone skin, I'm like, yeah. Fill a little dropper. I like to do 2 on my forehead. And then rub that in. It's oil, so it's gonna run. So you just want to do this like kind of one at a time. And then 2 on each cheek. And then I put 2 in my palm for my neck. I'm gonna let that dry, but that's the whole routine. You see this? Just looking so fucking moisturized. Fuck, I cussed. Whatever. Alright, so now that we're all up in my grill once again, I'm going to show you a way that is extremely easy. I'm honestly doing this for the queers out there that don't feel that comfortable getting into a full face of makeup, that want to step into that realm. And after that, after having my face fully moisturized, wet, whatever, I'm gonna go in with 2 of my favorite concealers. This is the Glossier concealer. Super skin-like. I like to use this underneath my eyes, and then I'm going to use the NARS Naturally Radiant to spot conceal. You only need one product, basically. You don't need to get both of these. I am just extra and like to use both, but literally, you just need a concealer and your fingers. This is what makes this so easy, so doable. So yeah, let's get into it. I'm going to start with the Glossier concealer. I like to use this one underneath my eye. I really like the consistency of this. It is super wet, moisturizing even. And I'm gonna just take my index finger and I'm just gonna tap that underneath my eyes. Just to basically correct the color of that, since underneath my eyes is a lot darker than the rest of my skin because I work a lot. I work every motherfucking day. And when I'm doing makeup like this, I don't powder. Powder is a dead giveaway for makeup. Like, this is what's gonna look the most skin-like using just your hands, literally no tools. This is perfect if you're trying to save money and you just wanna look a little better, you know, just enhance your features just a tiny bit. And then I'm gonna go in with the NARS Naturally Radiant. This is in the shade Caramel. Oh, by the way, the Glossier shade I use is deep, which is, or dark. It's deep or dark. My label's really faded. I've had this for a long time, but like deep or dark. I'm a medium tan at best, but like, so they only have 5 shades. What are you gonna do? I guess it's a really nice concealer. And then I'm gonna go with my Naturally Radiant, and I'm just gonna go ahead and spot conceal, you know, these fucking... underneath my nose a little bit. Maybe a little here. I don't really need to spot conceal, but I'm gonna do it anyway, just to show you. You see anything else? And then I'm gonna just pat that in with my finger. My eyebrow looking a little ratchet right here, do you see that? And after that's all blended in, you don't even need to do this part. I just like to. This is the CoverRx Dewy Setting Spray, my favorite. Hold on. Let me highlight real quick, excuse me. You don't have to do this part either. Literally, this is just for me. You don't need to do this part. Oh my God. But you know I like your side. Just give me a little highlight, hello? And I'm already fucking lit, you see this? That was Amreezy, by the way, shout out Amreezy. I need to wow. Hello. I'm here. It's really good. Just clean. Super moisturized. Beautiful glass skin. Anyway, thank you for tuning in. I love you, my good queers, girls and gays only. See you next time.